Gravity Forms is the go-to WordPress form builder for nonprofits, supporting organizations around the globe. Its advanced features and functionality, intuitive drag-and-drop form builder, and vast array of integrations make it the best tool for creating any type of form needed for your nonprofit website. Our nonprofit license supports your organization every step of the way. Whether you need to generate leads, accept donations, run quizzes and surveys, or design more custom solutions, it's all possible with Gravity Forms. With our form builder, you can easily create accessible lead generation forms that are WCAG 2.1 AA compliant, which is a must-have for many nonprofits. Importantly, with the nonprofit license, you can easily accept donations via your forms. Gravity Forms integrates with numerous payment processors, including Stripe, PayPal, Square, and Molly, enabling you to accept one-time gifts on your site or set up recurring donations. Gravity Forms also comes with advanced built-in features. Add conditional logic to your forms to help personalize them for specific audiences, design forms in a multi-page layout to help increase conversion rates, and style your forms to your exact specifications to ensure they stay on brand. And with the nonprofit license, you get access to all Gravity Forms add-ons, letting you do more with your forms. These include marketing and anti-spam integrations, payment and automation add-ons, and additional feature enhancements like our survey, quiz, and poll add-ons. Connect your forms to sync with MailChimp, send data to Zapier, design a survey, or process payments with Stripe. Lastly, Gravity Forms' extensive documentation and knowledgeable and friendly support team ensure your nonprofit is supported at every turn. So whether your organization is just starting out or is already a household name, Gravity Forms has you covered. Apply today for a nonprofit license. We can't wait to have you on board.